Welcome students. In this video, I am going to start with the distributive law. Now A intersection B union C. This is equal to A intersection with B, and then this union A intersection C. Right? Here intersection is distributing over union. So answer is A intersection B, then we have this union sign A intersection with C. If we want to do the proof, we are going to do the proof from the Venn diagram only in the left hand side. So first I have drawn this universal set U, right? Then draw these three sets A, B and C. Now first I have shaded the set A. This diagram represented the set A. In next Venn diagram, this is your universal set, then again set A, B and C. Now B union C. Union means all the elements of B, all the elements of C. So I have shaded all the region of B as well as C. Now in left hand side, you need to find the intersection of these two sets. A intersection with B union C. That means we are going to shade the common region of these two Venn diagram. Now this portion is common, so I have shaded this. This portion is also common in both the diagrams, so this portion, and this is also shaded. Done. So this is your left hand side. Now for evaluating right hand side, this is your right hand side. So in the first Venn diagram, I'll shade A intersection B, and in second A intersection C, and then we are going to take the union of these two diagrams. So let this be your universal set U, or you can also write here X. A, B, C set. A intersection B. Now this is the common region. Intersection means the common region of both A and B. So here I have shaded the common region of set A as well as B. Next, A intersection C. Intersection means the common portion of A and C. This is the common region. Then you are going to take the union. Union means all the element of this set, all the element of this set, right? So either from this or from this. So this is here and this portion is in the second diagram. So I have shaded these two regions, right? So this is your right hand side. If you check, both the left hand side are equal to right hand side. The second is A union B intersection C. This is equal to A union B, then this intersection A union C. Here union is distributing over intersection. Student, you must try the proof by yourself using Venn diagram. Next is the differences of sets. Let A and B be any two given sets. The difference of sets A and B is the set of elements which are in A but not in B. I am again repeating, is the set of elements which are in A but not in B. Or in other word, you can also say A minus B is the set of those elements of A which are not in B. Now it is written as A minus B, and we read it like A difference B. A minus B is the set. This is your set builder form where X belongs to A and at the same time X does not belongs to B. B minus A means set of those X where X belongs to B and X does not belongs to A. You can also read set of those elements of A which are not in B. Here set of those elements of B which are not in A. Question number 10 from exercise 1.4. If X is A, B, C, D, the set Y is F, B, D, G. Now X minus Y is the set of those elements of X which are not in Y. Just look here, A is not here, so I have written here A. Then B is also here, so you will not write B here. C is not in Y, so we have written C. And D, it is in Y, so you will not write this. So X minus Y is set A, C. Now Y minus X. Here you are going to check the elements of Y which are not in X. Elements of Y. F is not in X, so we have written this. B is here, so you will not write. D is also here, so you will not write in Y minus X. Then last is G. G belongs to Y, but it does not belongs to X, right? Venn diagram. Now let this be your universal set A, B. Now A minus B, all the elements of A which are not in B. Now this is your region A minus A, because these elements are in B, so you will not shade this region. So this diagram represent A minus B, and this is your universal set U. Now B minus A, The elements belongs to B, but at the same time they doesn't belongs to A. Look here. There is no element which is common in A minus B and in B minus A. So that means if we find their intersection, it will be 5. So A minus B and B minus A, these two are disjoint sets. I am again repeating, A minus B and B minus A, these two are disjoint sets. Question number 9. A, B, C, D sets are given. You have to find the following parts like A minus B. The elements of which are in A but not in B. So 3, next is 6, then 9. Now 12 is in B, so you will not write here. Then 15, 18, 21, these are not in B. So this is your answer, and you are going to apply these curly bracket. C minus A. The elements which belongs to C but not to A, which are in C but not in A. So 2, 4. Now 6 is here, so you will not write this. 2, 4, next is 8, then 12. Sorry, 10. This 12 belongs to C as well as it belongs to A. So you will not write here 12. Next is 14 and 16. Next, B minus D. Right, B minus D. B minus D. The elements which belongs to B but not to D. 4, 8, 12, 16. 20 is here, so you will not write here. So answer is 4, 8, 12, 16. Then D minus B. The elements which belongs to D but not to B. 5, 10, 15. This is your answer, right? Next is the complement of set. Now let U be the universal set and A be any subset of U. Then the complement of A is the set of all elements of U which are not the elements of A. It is denoted by A dash or A, this symbol, complement, right? I am again repeating, the elements of universal set which are not in A, they will be in its complement. Set of those X where X belongs to U and X does not belongs to A. A complement is also written as U minus A. For example, the universal set from 1 to 10 is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. A complement, the elements which of universal which are not in A. The answer will be 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 10, and apply the brackets. Look here, the Venn diagram. Let U be the universal set and let this be A. Now the elements other than A, they will be in A complement. So this region, the shaded region, it is denoting A complement. If you look for the properties, A union with its complement, this is always equal to the universal set U. Now if you find their intersection, the intersection will be 5. There is no element which is common in these two. So again these two are disjoint sets. De Morgan's law. A union B whole complement, this is always equal to A complement intersection B complement. Then A intersection B whole complement. Now this is equal to A complement union B complement. Next is double complement law. The complement of A complement is always equal to A. Phi complement. Phi means empty. There is no element, so its complement is equal to universal set. Universal complement. Now the universal set contain everything. This is your universal set. It contains everything. So whenever you find its complement, it will be empty. Question number 1. Universal set is from 1 to 9. A, B, C sets are given. The first part, find A complement. A is 1, 2, 3, 4. The complement will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Third part, A union C whole complement. So first you will find A union C. Union means either from this or from this. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the complement, the elements of U which are not in this. So answer will be 7, 8 and 9.